Cordelia, Lear's youngest and favorite daughter, says that she has no word to express how much she loved her father.
The King of France, who has courted Cordelia, says that he will still marry her even without her land, and she accompanies him to France.
I always thought that too, but now that he has divided his kingdom, no one can tell which duke he prefers the most.
The king is coming!
Tried to make me break my promise to Cornwall and Albany, and I have never broken a promise. prove my authority. Here is the reward for your action. Your 5 days together, whatever you need to survive the misfortunes of this world. And on the 6th day, you must turn your hatred back on us. Your very son is coming here after this day. You'll be killed immediately. Now go away. I swear by Jupiter I'll never take back what I promised you.
Well, since this is how you insist on acting, we have left this. Rulers of France are producing here, my noble lord.
Noble Burgundy, I'll address you. You've been rival to this king in pursuing my daughter. What is the least amount you accept that her daughter be completed? I'll never want to alienate you by making you marry someone I hate. So please, tell her for a while. Forget this word. You can be barely be called a king.
This is very strange. Happened to Adelia, who until just now was your favorite, the object of all your love in your old age, your best and dearest, have done something so monstrous that she suddenly stripped away your many layers of love and favor? Surely, she must have committed an atrocious crime to make your formerly strong opinion for her turn rotten. But it would take a miracle to make me believe that she could do something like that.
Please, your majesty, I lack the glib art of flattery and empty words. When I want to do something, I just do it instead of talking about it. So let it be known that it wasn't because I committed an act of murder, lust or dishonor that I lost your love and favor. It was because I lack a flattering tongue and a greedy eye. I'm a richer person even without those things, and I'm glad that I don't have them. Although lacking them has lost me your love and favor.
Enough. Go away. It would have been better for you to have never been born than to have displeased with it.
Is that all? You're banishing her because she has acquired nature and acts without telling the world about her actions? My lord, to
in losing the king as a father, you have also lost me as a husband.
Peace be with you, Burgundy. Since your real love is money, I won't be your wife.
fairest Cordelia, in being poor, you have become most rich. In being abandoned, you are valuable. And in being hated, you are loved. I accept you and your virtues right away. It is legal to pick up and keep something.
Jewels of our father's love, I leave you now with tears in my eyes. I know what you really are, but as a sister, I'm reluctant to criticize your faults and call them by their true names. Love our father and take care of him. I leave him to you who have claimed to love him so dearly. But I wish I was still in his favor, so I could recommend him to better caretakers. So farewell to you both.
Don't tell us what our duty is.
You should focus on pleasing your lord and husband, who has accepted you out of charity. You deserve to lose the love that you yourself have left.
Time will tell what you're hiding under your cunning flattery. Those who cover their faults always end up being shamed by them. May you have prosperous lives.
Come along, my fair Cordelia.
He quickly learns that he made a bad decision.
Government and freedom quickly begins to undermine the latest authority that Lear still holds.
Unable to believe that his beloved daughter betrayed him, Lear slowly goes insane.
He flees his daughter's houses to wander on a hill during a great thunderstorm, accompanied by his fool and by Kent, a loyal nobleman in disguise.
In Dogo, a French army lands as part of an invasion led by Cordelia in an attempt to save her father.
Edmund advances them romantically and tangles with both Goneril and Rhaegar.
Who
Albany is increasingly sympathetic to Lear's cause. Goneril and Edmund conspire to kill Albany.
Meanwhile, the English troops reach Dover and the English, led by Edmund, defeats the Cordelia-led French. Leo and Cordelia are captured. In the climatic scene, Edgar drills Rick and kills Edmund, who learns of the death of Gloucester. Goneril pushes Regan out of jealousy over Edmund and then kills herself when her trickery was revealed to Albany.
Edmund's betrayal of Cordelia leads to her needless execution in prison, and Lear finally dies out of grief at Cordelia's passing. Albany, Edgar, and elderly Kent are left to take care of the country under a cloud of great sorrow and regret. A wrong decision led the mighty royal kingdom to a tragic end.
So listen to a person's heart, not